Hi everyone. Welcome to Study Windows. Today we are going to learn singular noun and plural noun. Let us try to understand singular and plural noun with simple examples. We all love the jungle and we used to visit to see a lot of animals, birds, and many more. Let's explore a jungle. See, many elephants are together and they are enjoying grasses in the jungle. Now, the elephant can stay in a single or multiple numbers. Look at this peacock, here, only one number. And it's showing his beauty. Here, two lionesses are resting after heavy food. There are so many penguins. Penguins can stay in multiple numbers and they may stay in a single number as well. Look at these kangaroos. Many deer. A lot of birds are flying together. Let's observe it properly. Here, in the right side, many elephants are walking, and in the left side, only one elephant is walking. Look at here, on the left side, there is only one deer, but on the right side, more than one deer or many deer. In the same way, giraffe also can be stayed in single or in multiple numbers. Let us try to understand. Look at this village ground. There are cows. Here, only a single cow. Here, more than one cow. Now, how do we differentiate between these two? It is by singular noun and plural noun. Take one cow from the group here, so it is a single cow. Single means a singular noun. More than one means plural nouns. Singular came from the word single. Hence, the singular noun is cow. The plural noun is cows. Goose is the singular noun and geese mean a plural noun. More than one bird means a plural noun and it is birds. In the same way, the plural noun of cat is cats. Look at this image. A single fish is playing. Hence, single fish means singular noun. Now, what about this? A lot of fish. Do you have any idea about the plural noun of fish? It is fish only. If I ask you what is the plural noun of man? It is men. Hence, we have learned. Plural noun of cat is cats. Plural noun of cow is cows. Plural noun of man is men. Plural noun of fish is fish. If we observe the first two examples, we see both the pattern are same, only adding s. It obeys some rules. Hence, these plurals are called regular plural nouns. If we observe the last two examples, we see both the pattern are irregular. They don't follow any rules. Hence, these plurals are called irregular plural nouns. There are few rules for regular plural nouns which help us to remember. Let us learn all the rules. Rule 1. Make plural form of a regular noun, simply add s at the end. Apple. Apples are the plural noun of apple. Here, s is added to apple to form plural. Rule 2. If any singular noun ends with s, ss, ch, sh, add es at the end. Dishes are the plural noun of dish. Dish ends with sh, so es is added to form plural. Rule 3. If any singular noun ends with ch and sounds like k, add s instead of es at the end. Stomachs are the plural noun of stomach. In the stomach, ch pronunciation is like k. Hence, we will not consider rule 2. We will simply add s at the end instead of es at the end. Rule 4. If any singular noun ends with x or z, add es at the end. Foxes are the plural noun of fox. Fox ends with x, so es is added to form the plural. Rule 5. Few singular nouns ending with s or z require doubling this s or z before adding es at the end. Gases are the plural noun of gas. Gas ends with s, so s is doubled here and es is added at the end. Rule 6. When a singular noun is ending with a consonant y and prior to y there is a consonant, then y changed into I and add es. In baby, b is before y and it is a consonant. Hence, in the plural, y changed into I and es is added at the end. Rule 7. When a singular noun is ending with a consonant y and prior to y there is a vowel, then after y, add s only. In donkey, e is before y and it is a vowel. Hence, in the plural, the only s is added at the end. Rule 8. When a singular noun is ending with a consonant y and it represents a person or place, simply add s at the end to make plural. Germanies are the plural noun of Germany. Germany ends with consonant y, so s is added at the end. This example is only for illustration purposes only. Rule 9. When a noun ends with f or fe, then f is changed into ve and an s. Wolves are the plural noun of the wolf. Wolf ends with f. Hence, in the plural, f changed into ve and s is added at the end. Rule 10. When a singular noun ends with o, followed by a consonant, simply add es. Tomatoes are the plural noun of tomato. Tomato ends with o, followed by a consonant t. Hence, to make in the plural, es is added at the end. Rule 11. When a singular noun ends with o, followed by a vowel, simply add s to make plural. Studios are the plural noun of studio. Studio ends with o, followed by a vowel I. Hence, to make it plural, s is added at the end instead of es at the end. Rule 12. If the word has a foreign origin, for example, Latin, Greek, Spanish, etc., we just add s at the end to make plural. Avocados are the plural noun of avocado. This word is originated from Mexico. Hence, to make it plural, s is added at the end instead of es. Rule 13. When a singular noun ends with us, replace this us by I. Cacti are the plural noun of cactus. Cactus ends with us. Hence, to make it plural, us is replaced by I. Rule 14. When a singular noun ends with replace this by a. Bacteria are the plural noun of bacterium. The bacterium ends with Hence, to make it plural, is replaced by a. Rule 15. Few singular nouns ends with a. Replace this a by ae. Algae are the plural noun of alga. Alga ends with a. Hence, to make it plural, a is replaced by ae. Rule 16. When a singular noun ends with is, simply replace it by es. Axes are the plural noun of axis. Axis ends with is. Hence, to make it plural, is is replaced by es. Rule 17. When a singular noun ends with on, replace it by a. Criteria are the plural noun of criterion. Criterion ends with on. Hence, to make it plural, on is replaced by a. Rule 18. When a singular noun ends with ex or ix, replace it by ices. Appendices are the plural noun of appendix. Appendix ends with ix. Hence, to make it plural, ix is replaced by ices. Rule 19. Few singular noun ends with o, replace it by I. Concerti are the plural noun of concerto. Concerto ends with o. Hence, to make it plural, o is replaced by I. Now, let us learn the rules of irregular plural nouns. Remember, there are no such specific rules for irregular plural nouns. However, we have summarized a few observations as rules, which will help to remember a lot of irregular plural nouns. Rule 1. There are few singular nouns which are not changed at all when it is changed into plural nouns. For example, dear. If we change the dear into a plural noun, it will be dear only. Hence, there will not be any change. In the same way, the plural noun of fish will be fish. Although, there is an exception in fish, and the same will be discussed later. The plural noun of sheep will be sheep. Hence, no change. Rule 2. There are few singular nouns where many letters are changed, or the entire letters are modified when it is to be made plural forms. For example, child. If we change the child into a plural noun, it will be children. Hence, many letters are changed here. In the same way, the plural noun of ox is oxen. The plural noun of the tooth becomes teeth. Rule 3. Some nouns are always singular. They have no plural form. For examples, silver, gold, flour, sugar, water. Rule 4. Some nouns have no singular form. These nouns are always plural. For examples, binoculars, economics, genes, mathematics, physics. Rule 5. Some nouns have an identical form for singular and plural nouns, and both ends with s. For examples, barracks, crossroads, headquarters, species. Rule 6. Some nouns are used with modifiers. If that is the case, change the noun, not the modifiers. In a hyphenated compound word, you must change the first word into plural form. For examples, brother-in-law is changed into brothers-in-law to make a plural noun. Here, brother changed into brothers, no change in the modifiers. In the same way, editor-in-chief is changed into editors-in-chief. Mother-in-law is changed into mothers-in-law. Rule 7. Some nouns may have two different kinds of plural. For examples, fish. The plural noun of fish is fish. But sometimes, it may be called as fishes. Sentence example. Rahul named all the fishes in the bucket. Here, the name refers to individual fish. Hence, together it called fishes. Rule 8. Certain plural nouns are used as a singular. For examples: news, politics, mathematics, luggage. Rule 9. Collective nouns are usually singular, even though they might sound plural. For examples: crowd, flock, committee, $100. Rule 10. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. For examples: water, milk, sugar, ketchup, tea. Rule 11. Other nouns ending with s only have a plural form with certain meanings. For examples: goods. It is different from good, which is like a good habit. Aunts. It is different from the aunt, which is like our aunt. We have already learned regular plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. Now, apart from these nouns, another type of plurals, namely mutant plurals, are used. Few nouns which are very strange when we change it into plural nouns. These strange nouns are called mutant plural nouns. As for example, most common mutant plural nouns are listed. Man changed into men. Woman changed into women. Child changed into children. Tooth changed into teeth. Foot changed into feet. Goose changed into geese. Ox changed into oxen. Louse changed into lice. Mouse changed into mice. Please note that there are many exceptions to the rules. Do you want to know in detail? Visit our newly launched website www.studywindows.com. Thank you so much.